Rob can always try being a contortionist if this doesn't work out. All different funny angles to get the shot there. Beautiful early morning light on it, and this bird is actually calling, and then a bit further away you can hear one responding. So it's just two birds letting each other know where they are, same species obviously. And then this tree that this Crested jackalberry tree, full of other birds at the moment as well. Jackalberries fruit quite late, so you get all kinds of starlings and green pigeons and louries and even mammals. You'll get monkeys and baboons coming past here. You'll find animals picking up the fruits once they fall to the ground. Even jackals doing it, which is why the name jackalberry was derived. A very sort of known call as well. The Afrikaans name actually differs or refers exactly to the call. It's called a kweevoël. Kwee is the sound they often make. It was actually eating the seeds from this tree, the pods from it. Standing on tiptoe there. This makes it much harder if you're standing on a little branch that can move as well. A little bit of insect carcass that got burnt. More importantly, it's just very open now. They can see things. So it makes a huge sort of bird frenzy or bird feeding frenzy around here. These are Glossy-starlings we're looking at the moment. Chit chat, I'm sure they're all discussing what they've been eating the last 24 hours or since the sunrise this morning. Lots of good food out here for them now. Where they catch their food, and they do the same again and just slowly move around its area looking for some insects. Something about the outline or silhouette of vultures and dead tree branches that just together tell a story that we can't necessarily put into words, but there's just a certain feeling you get. Ambushed or attacked or kamikazed by a gabar goshawk, even though we didn't see that actual process happening. We just joined it when the kingfisher was down in the water. Obviously it used that as an escape route, managed to literally fall in the water of the dam and just floated around until the goshawk eventually left. We saw a few times how the goshawk tried to sort of fly back up to it on the edge of the water, but couldn't do anything, and eventually the kingfisher just flew away out of the water. But innovative. Beak, very good for catching its food. In this case, your brown-headed kingfisher, they mainly eat insects actually. They don't really fish as much as some of your other kingfishers.